Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can merge shapes, intersect them, and etc. So I'm just going to choose these two shapes, star and a circle, because why not, you know? Anyways, I'll just put like the star shape here, I guess. I don't know. So go to object, go to shaping, go to shape. And then select the weld one if you want to combine them. So select one shape first, weld to, and then select the other shape. And as you can see, it is welded together. Okay, if you want to trim it, go to the trim section, select the shape, trim it, and then select the second shape to trim that shape from that other shape. If you want it the other way around, you can absolutely do that. So select the shape, trim, and then select this other one. And then you have like this kind of like Pac-Man-esque shape. I don't know what to call it. Anyways, to intersect it to get this like pizza shape, you're just going to select intersect, select the circle, intersect with the star, and you have this shape here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.